Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something spectacular. This is probably my favorite Shirogorov to date, and we're gonna just quickly check it out. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe you can also think to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you, because you don't see this stuff very often. This is a Shirogorov custom division with this new box F3NS that I've got right over here for you to enjoy. This gorgeous knife of course comes with a custom division box with a microfiber cloth and of course the certificate of authenticity. This is yeah, it took a bit to acquire this this one, and not only a bit of time but a bit of money, because yeah, it's not a cheap one. This is the Shirogorov F3NS liner lock custom division. It's truly a gorgeous one. There's some subtle anodization on the scales. In fact, you can see the contrast with the titanium liners, beautifully 3D milled. You've got, I mean, there's so much going on in this guy. The back spacer is matching the scales, 3D milled titanium, integrated lanyard hole option right there. Tip-up carry only, 3D milled titanium pocket clip with hidden hardware. The milling lines on this guy are out of this world, like very cool. You have some very subtle lines going on these areas, and here you've got these pretty cool milled lines. Of course, you've got the Shiro bear right there, pivot collar on both sides, oversized pivot keyed in. You've got, look at this detail, for example, on the flipper tab. I mean, level of detail is massive. And of course, you've got this blade. Yeah, guys, look at that. You get the detail, the wavy etched pattern. I suggest you to put on that 4K mode on your viewer, because you gotta check these lines out. They are just phenomenal. This guy is rolling on a single row roller bearing. The action is just outstanding. S90V steel, fantastic jimping, just like the smoothness of this guy is just out of this world. I would say the best Shiro I have. The liners are internally skeletonized. Back spacer has this little detail over here. I mean, nothing has been left to the chance. Everything has been thoroughly thought. Sound, it just tells you you're in business with some really high quality item in your hand. So yeah, there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.